Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about thread priority in Java. Thread priority is the number ranging from 1 to 10 and that defines how important one thread with respect to another thread is. The higher the number, the more important that thread is. And every thread in Java has some kind of priority associated to it. And there are few of the methods which can be used to get or set the priority of a thread. Like we have the set priority method, and this method takes one integer number and it will set the priority of one thread with that integer number. And also we have the get priority method, and this method used to return the priority of one given thread. Now we have few of the static variables of the thread class and they can be assigned priority to one thread. Like first we have min priority. It will assign the minimum priority to one thread and the value is 1. Next we have the norm priority. This will set the priority of a thread as the number 5 and this is the default priority of one thread. Next we have the max priority. This will set the priority of a thread as the number 10 and which is the highest priority of the thread priority range. So in this example program we have one class test which is extending the thread class. And then we have created object of the test class T1, T2 and T3, and then we have set the priority of the T1, T2 and T3 with the min priority, normal priority and maximum priority, and then we have printed their priority onto the console using the get priority method. So I'm going to save the program and I'm going to compile and run the program, and you can see the output. The priority of the thread T1, T2 and T3 has been printed onto the console. So this is the way we can set the priority of a thread using the set priority method, and also we can get the priority using the get priority method. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.